Hey guys, Jack here for Golzo's World, and welcome to November 2024's recap video. So let's start at the beginning with this video. So start at the beginning with the playthrough. Now I said to you back in October that they do a game playthrough is a PS2. It's an action adventure and it's makers of Capcom. Ladies and gentlemen, it was Viewtiful Joe. Yep, the first Viewtiful Joe. So this question story is absolutely fantastic, comic style, like 2D, 3D platforming there as well, featuring the likes of Joe for one here to become a superhero. In the start of the story for one here, Sylvie and Joe in the movies, ready to say make love for one here, until the evilness that when they keep Captain Blue in the actual film, and then he decides that one here to snatch Sylvie off Joe's clutches that one here. And now Captain Blue have to bring Joe into the movie world for one here. And face it to become Joe want to be an all-time superhero. And he faces against all the villain bosses here. And trying to rescue his love for one here, Sylvie, his love for evil clutches of the bad guy, of the evil villain. So anyway, if you didn't see it, go check the playthrough out. That one there can really appreciate it with the thumbs up and a comment as well. That means really so much. So if you love Viewtiful Joe, tell us your favorite story. What it is you say about it. Is it the story? Is it the art style? The gameplay? Or is it possibly everything? Just drop me a comment on that one here, and hopefully I'll give you a reply with a thumbs up. So anyway, next up one two is Twitch. That one here. So Twitch really went well for that one here. Did a lot of it with loads of Mario Kart Wednesdays every time. Retro Fridays, I did completion with Ratchet & Clank Sides Matters PS2 version. So we did the second and the third run for it to get the Rhino and all the armors for it. Everything was in there. Anyway, it was just fantastic. I really appreciate it for that. It helped me to watch them as well. And then, of course, the Xbox Sunday, we started out playing Resident Evil 5 for one here. And we did a continuation all the way to completion to easy mode completed. And then we did the first DLC one here with Chris and Jill faces Wesker. And that's where how that story began, how Jill died for one here. So anyway, I had a great time for one of live streaming. And my followers get very well for it. So I got about 137 followers and hoping possibly more. But anyway, if you didn't see the one here, I'll make sure put the Twitch link in the description here. Please share this to everybody. Can drop a follow, come say hello. That really appreciated for the love and support. Next up, that one here, of course, is the vlogs, and what a vlogs it has been for that. So first of all, I did a little surprise. In late October, for when I went to Kirby Sales in Exchange. Yeah, so I was supposed to be applying report and upload it on October, but I want to keep hold of it until the beginning of November. So that's why I did that one here a little bit more better and more easy. Because like I said, my job, life, work, and all sorts here. But anyway, lovely to see Nina and Carl in there for one here. They got great tons of stuff on it, showcasing all the games, some rare ones, some collectibles, some systems, games, and everything else. And then, of course, they did the pickups as well on this video as well. I hope everyone can really appreciate it, that one here. So if you haven't seen it, go check the video out. That one can really appreciate it for the support. What stuff do you purchase at Kirby Sales Exchange? Just drop down a comment and I'll give you a reply with a thumbs up. Next up, that one here is the unboxing of Ori's HDMI splitter for one here. Yeah, the first HDMI splitter, I usually tested it on the PlayStation 3 for the first time. And I really hope everyone is enjoying that one here. So, played it for one here, you know, just tested it for the first time. It works well on Elgato, so no hasty CPs on it. So that means I can finally get started doing some playthroughs on the PlayStation 3. It will take me time for it, but don't worry, I'll try to get ready for the PS3 games coming soon to my YouTube channel. So anyway, I really appreciate it for one edge to give this one here. if you didn't see that one here, go check it out. I really appreciate it for the support. And then, of course, lastly but not least, it was Nottingham City Gaming Fair. Yep, first ever Nottingham City Gaming Fair. James from Get Well Gamers organized his very first event, and it went a success. That one here. It was taking place at Nottingham's High School near a forest restoration ground here in Nottingham. And it's got an absolute fantastic facilities. It's so big for one here for Nottingham's High School, but it was turned out a great success for it. It was lovely to meet all the traders in there, like LL Cool Games in there, Pyro Universe, Sega Mags, Monster Joysticks, and a few more others that were there, of course. And then, of course, it did as well. It had a chat with other people as well from there to come and say hello. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed that one here. If you didn't see it, go check it out. I can really appreciate it. And then we roll on to the next one here, was the pickups. And I absolutely happy with the pickups I just got that one here. Featuring all the games is that one here, and some accessories as well. And I hope everyone is really enjoying that one here. So go check the pickups video as well. Can really appreciate it about the big end support. Yep, and there you go for that one here. So now let's get started off. Did you buy anything from there? Well, yes, I did for one there. I managed to put the last bit of the money's worth of it. And like I said, I'm now keeping hold of it for one there, because I need to now save it up again. So I got 2 stuff for one here from Amazon, 1 for Game Retail, and 2 from CEX for one here. So anyway, let's start it off with the beginning one. So the first one, of course, is an accessory here, but I can't tell you and I can't show you this. It's all there in the video, so you have to wait and see for yourself. But don't worry, this one's I got a good pricey deal, so you have to stay tuned for that one on coming soon to the unboxing series video. So keep your eyes peeled and even tap the bell to make sure that you know we're never gonna miss a thing. So next up, I'll show you one. Next one is a PS4 one here, and this one I can show you that what I got. So ladies and gentlemen, I got this on a deal, and I got this here on my Amazon voucher for one here on both items. That one here I got. Yeah. So this one here, I'm very excited that this game has been released in September for one here this year, and I've been waiting for a long time for the physical copy of this. Yep, join the size of Marvel vs. Capcom Fighting Collection for one here, featuring 7 most great legendary titles from all of great platforms. From X-Men's here, Marvel Superheroes X Street Fighter, X-Men vs. Street Fighter, Marvel Superheroes, and even classically Marvel vs. Capcom 1 and 2, and even costly the Punisher, the arcade version of the Punisher, landed into that game as well. Anyway, how much did it cost for this game for it? Got this price for £37, brand new. And I played it, it was fantastic, and I absolutely loved it for it. So anyway, now hopefully what we'll do is put it on my PlayStation 5, hope we get a PS5 soon. I'm going to put that in there, and then that will be an absolutely a bless. So anyway, so that was that for one here. Next up for one here, next one I went to Game Retail. And luckily, this was got a physical copy release. And this one, I got it on a Black Friday deal. And there was only got 1 physical copy left on it. And I was so lucky enough to get my hands on one. I was supposed to be putting it on the Christmas wish list, but I decided that I'm going to leave it out for one. It was on Amazon. But when I look at Game Retail in person, that price was the best. And ladies and gentlemen, I finally have joined the world of this one. Yep, Harry Potter's Quidditch Champions, but I have here the deluxe edition. So not only you get the deluxe edition there, and you get a Firebolt skin for one here, like a Firebolt broomstick as well. So basically, you take on the center stage in the world of Quidditch for one here. Like, I remember back in the old days called Harry Potter's Quidditch World Cup for one here. I think that was what you call it. I remember playing it when I was a very young for one here. And the gameplay looks absolutely fantastic. So this one here is embrace yourself of enchanting the world of Quidditch by playing solo or sharing magic with your friends and family. So what I looked at here, and I watched Middle Age Gaming Guys, that one here, it was fantastic to watch that one here. You know, I really loved it, and I made a good decision to get a PS4 version of Harry Potter's Quidditch Champions. So very happy with that. And of course, see that you could do a PS5 upgrade available as well for one there. So that is just like bonus. So anyway, how much did it cost like? This one here was about like £36. But thanks to the Black Friday, got this for £20. That's right, £20. I was so happy and I couldn't walk away from it. So anyway, now finally I have it with me. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention as well for one there. I just forgot to mention. I was in the chat, Tuesday's chat room with Middle Age Gaming Guy for one here. It was absolutely fantastic to meet James, like Mag, Dave that one here, and a few others as well. That's why it gave me a jump boost that one here of the helping me get hoping you can try to get the goal for it. Anyway, if you didn't see it, I'll put the YouTube channel for one here, and hopefully it can be appreciated for sharing the love with Mag, someone there, and his live streaming as well. He's a good friend of mine, and hopefully we'll see a bit more soon. Anyway, that was just for one little bit missing anyway. Now, let's get started up with CEX. Now, for CEX, that one here, I got two for one here. Got one for PS3 and one for the PlayStation 2. So for the PS3 one, now, I got this version on the Xbox 360 version about like a month ago or so. But now, I finally have it, the PS3 version of this title. Yep, I got Castlevania Lords of Shadow. Now I have the PS3 version, which is very happy and thrilled. So we know instead about this, it takes on a journey. But when here, an epic adventure for Gabriel to face all over beloved from the Dark Forest to the snow-capped mountains and beyond, seeking revenge of the Lords of Shadows. So anyway, how much did it cost you for the PS3? Last time I seen it for one, it was about £12. But I got this here, the price went down to a tenner. 10 quid? That's perfect for that. Anyway, very happy and tested it out and it worked perfectly well. No problems at all. So anyway, I'm very happy with that. And now we get down to the very last one. Now this one here, I've been looking for this since the launch of CEX app. And finally, it took a long while. But now finally I have it. This here is not just a game. It's a trilogy one. Now you know you're thinking and saying, you already have a trilogy at Prince of Persia. Yes, but there is another trilogy once. There's other trilogies there as well. But anyway, I was super thrilled, super happy. I know this one, like the layers have got a little bit more rusty for one here and a little bit damaged, but I don't care at all. I got this trilogy game of this beautiful one. Yep, why not the Call of Duty trilogy for one here? This time you have all three Call of Duty games. That is where everything begins. So if you want to play no Call of Duty much, then you got to play the very first three, the true original. So you're back on the journey from 3 games and join in a World War II action. So as you can see, you get Call of Duty Finals Hour, that would be the first one. Call of Duty 2, Black Red 1, and Call of Duty 3. So everything here. So there you go. All 3 in one, but one here. So how much did you pay for it? Last time I seen it for it was about 28. And then the other one goes to 30, and then to 32. But now, this was calmed down faster. And I got this here for £20 for all 3 games. That's right, £20 for the Call of Duty trilogy. So happy and thrilled. And that means hopefully coming soon, I will do some practicing. I did practicing for the first time. It went well for that one here. It will take me time, but hopefully I'll get a hang on Call of Duty games. So hopefully I do a Call of Duty series in my channel and live streaming as well. So hopefully we'll keep your eyes peeled. And there you go, everyone. So that is it. So now, what's your plans for December? So first of all, I'm going to start out with the opposite side for one here. So for the vlogs itself, there will be no shop vlogs I want to because Christmas is now coming on the way now here in December, and it's gonna be absolutely barbaric, and I'm not gonna do any shop vlogs for that one here. So that is it for one. Because Nottingham City Gaming Fair was the last stop for that one here, and now I finally finished it. But there will be 2 unboxing videos will be coming up in my channel for one here. So one thing to know for one here, I will get you know what's good planned, so don't worry. I'll explain to you all in a bit later. So yeah, to be 2 unboxing videos for one here will be coming up. So one of them from Amazon, and one of it I'm really super excited to get my hands on. So I already did that a couple of months ago, so you're just gonna have to wait and see which one it is. Next up, live streaming for one here. Continuation with Mario Kart. Retro Friday, going to do Ratchet & Clank 3 for one here. I was celebrating 20 years. And then Xbox Sunday will do its completed Resident Evil all the way from like normal all the way to expert mode completion for one here. And yeah, so hopefully, so the dates will be let you know that the dates for my last live streaming will be on Wednesday the 18th of December. That is going to be my last one, going to be doing it, so I can have my couple of weeks break, and then I'll be back fresh as ever, beginning of 2025 for one here. So keep your eyes peeled for that one here. And like I said, drop a follow for one here on my Twitch and share it to everybody. I really appreciate it for the support. And then next up to the playthrough. So the playthrough, I'm going to be announcing, well, since after Beautiful Joe's been done, I'm going to be doing Beautiful Joe 2's uploads. And of course, I will have, it says there's no shopping vlogs or any else like that. I'm going to do a second playthrough in there. So there'll be 2 playthroughs in December's month. So, and I said to you all before about the unboxing. Well, I will tell you right now if I want to what the plan. So, the first unboxing will be the beginning of December, well, around about like the 4th or the 5th of December. Then Beautiful Joe 2 will be the next one to be uploads. And then the second unboxing one, when I got from Amazon, will be the next. And then the second playthrough for one here, I can't tell you. It's still a PS2, and it's going to be an absolute, something let's say a PS2 version for it. So there's a version out of it, so you have to stay tuned for that one. Anyway, and that is about that, everybody. So what's your thoughts on the reviews and everything else you have seen before? Remember, drop a big massive like for the video. Drop down comments below your thoughts on your stuff I have purchased and all past month. And of course, tell us your thoughts on you. If you've been to Nottingham City Gaming Fair, just drop down a comment there. And of course, and then give you a reply with a thumbs up. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. So then, this is Jack here, and I'll see you for December's 2024's recap. See ya!